if we wanted a truly decentralized world, ENS wouldn't exist. Because it would be, because that becomes the point of failure. If it always has to resolve something, that becomes a point of failure.
The flip side to that, though, is in the world of ENS, you can run your own resolver.
That is a good point.
So it's you don't have to use the ones that ENS puts out, and you can still participate in the full network effect. So I think they've like baked in and have thought through this in a from a future looking standpoint. Yeah.
You guys have to break that down. I'm not as smart as you. So what do you mean? The resolver,
Yeah.
you mean like ENS, the organization? They're resolving.
So it's
Go ahead. Yeah, elaborate on that.
There's the ENS DAO, and so this is the decentralized autonomous organization, and they put out like the primary ENS contracts, if you will. And so one of those is the ENS resolver, where you can take John's trickies.eth and you can ask the contract what address that's supposed to point to, and it'll tell you. And so the inherent potential security issue there is, well, you're going to a central source now to get that information resolved. So you're asking the ENS DAO's contract, what is John's trickies.eth supposed to resolve to? And so it's kind of a bit of a centralization, even though it's in a decentralized network. But one of the ways they've mitigated this is anybody can run their own resolver. So the contract code is open source. You can participate with all the other contracts, and you can like write your own code to resolve these names without having to rely on ENS at all.